Hey guys, so I went looking for a video about the Anker extended battery charger that looks like this, and I didn't find one. I was able to finally get it working, but because I could not find a video, I wanted to make one here for you guys today. Now this is the Anker extended battery for the HTC Sensation. I'll include the link in the description. This is the charger, or the universal charger that came with it. Now you can put the battery into the phone and just charge it regularly like you would, but, you know, they've given you an extra charger. You take a look here, the charger's got the plug there. It's also got a couple of little inputs on the side here, and that's how I'm going to use it here because it makes it a little bit easier than plugging it into a wall. I got my micro USB charger. I'm going to plug it in. You're going to see a bright purple light. Yeah, there it is. Not really visible with my super bright lamp over here, but there we go. A little bit easier to see. The light's now turned blue. Now you'll take a look on the Anker charger. You've got two little movable contact points. On the back of the charger, it says indicator lights. Red is charging, blue equals full charge. Okay. And positive, negative is automatically recognizable, which I take to mean it doesn't matter which of the contacts is on positive and which is on negative. But if you take a look at your battery, you'll see that it's got one marked positive contact, one marked negative contact. Let's see if I can zoom in a little tiny bit. Everybody loves blurry YouTube videos. One positive contact, one negative contact. I also have an extended battery for a Motorola Click that does not have those markings. So we're going to do that here in just a second. So we're going to take the Anker battery with the universal Anker charger. Light is still bright blue. All I'm going to do is pull down this front, line it up where it looks like it would work. I'm going to actually scoot it here to one negative contact and one over the positive contact. You can see right there and right there. Let it go, and it turns red. That means it's charging. So now this is going to charge my Anker battery. But I did want to show you one thing real quick on the positive, negative doesn't work. So I've removed it. The lights turn blue again. I'm going to flip the battery around, and those two contacts are still the furthermost of the four contacts on the battery. So we're going to try it. We're going to flip it in upside down, right like that. The light turns red. It's still charging. So yeah, that works no matter what. Now I'm going to use the original OEM battery here. Also, contacts are marked here on the edge. Positive is on this side. Negative's on that side. We're just going to pop it right in. Good. Scoot it to about where the contacts would be. There's one right on that end and one right on that end. Let it go, and it's charging bright red. Same thing, I'm going to pull the battery out, flip it around. I know that the two marked contacts are the ones that are positive and negative. So scoot it to about where it would be. Scoot the little contacts to about where they would be, let go, and the light turns red. It's ready to charge. Now, if you have a battery that's unmarked, like this one, again, my extended battery for the Motorola Click, that does not have the markings, and some extended batteries won't. Now, I'm just going to assume right off the bat that it's going to be the outer two most contacts. I don't know that to be true, but we're going to find out right now. So I'm going to scoot it right to where the contacts are, the two outermost, and let go. Look at that, bright red. I'm going to scoot it to a different contact and let go. You'll see the light stays blue. That means it's not charging. We're going to scoot it again to the other closer contact. Still does not work. Still blue. Scoot it back out to that far contact. Let go. The light turns red. There you go. So I'm going to say probably as a general rule of thumb, use the outer two most contacts if your extended battery has four and they're not marked. But on the Anker battery that I bought for the HTC Sensation, you've got the positive marked on the outside, the negative marked on the inside, and on the original OEM battery, obviously it's the same. The positive's on the outside, negative on the inside. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, yeah, like I said, nice, neat little charger. Going to make my phone last a heck of a lot longer.